Making a pie chart like the one you see on the left hand side here is actually really easy. All you have to do is draw two circles. The shortcut for circle on XD is E, and then you draw two of them, and then let's line them up. Now we know that there's 33. Let's put them in the middle. And once you have this circle, you make a copy of them by using Command C. I'll show you guys why we need a copy later. And then for now, we're gonna start drawing the pie chart. So you start from pressing P to get the pen tool, and then from the center of this tool ship, then you start drawing the chart. So we're gonna do this orange one. What I do is I go to the opposite direction of what is not selected, and then go here. And if you have a specific degree that you need, the easiest way to get that is actually download this 360 degree ruler. In the middle, then you can get a degree, specific degree what you want. Yeah, that's the easiest way, and then pretty close to the true size. So anyways, I just want to show you guys you can do that. Just turn this back to 100%. And then once you get to this point, it's really easy. You just select everything and then click on the subtract over here on this side, and then you press Command V to paste the rest of the circle, and send this to the back, so you have the rest of this circle. They look great. Now, if you want to add a little like rounded edge, all you have to do is just draw a circle. Yeah, so that's it. All you need to that's all you need to know. And then if you want to rotate, then you select the whole thing, and you can rotate it this way. I also want to show you guys how to make the pie chart in Figma easier than XD. So to draw a circle, the shortcut is O. I wish the shortcut was the same, but they're not. So, and then we make another circle. Now we get the two circle. We line them up, and then you click on the one circle, and you see this little arc, little dot, and you can actually just do this to get to the degree you want. So let's get back to the full circle. Do what we did before. We make a duplicate, and then we drag the arc. Let's recreate this orange again. What we have to do is like rotate somewhere around there, and the arc, and then we paste the circle, send it to the back. It's Command Option and then the bracket, and then now we have all of these ships, and then we just change that. But you guys get the idea. And then now we have all these ships, then we just have to cut the ship. There you go. So that's how you can do it on both, and you can draw the circle again. But you can see that this is a easier way to do it. I hope that was helpful. If you guys liked the video, please click on the like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.